I'm alive. Dad worked at Blizzard. Blizzard worked at Dad. Dad, where are you? Dad, who worked at Blizzard? I'll DMCA you all. Buy if of your brother. Code in my game like Tubby Fox. Never finish. Too busy killing games.